QBH installation method. First, loosen the lock nut. Adjust the locking ring to the unlocked position. Remove dust cover. Remove QBH dust cover. Align the QBH mounting reference point with the QBH locking bottom marking point. Parallel slow insertion. Adjust locking ring to lock mode. Tighten the lock nuts. Twist QBH left and right. Tighten the lock nuts. Eliminate mounting clearance. Repeat the twisting and tightening actions until QBH twisted without clearance. QBH installation completed.